What's up everybody, my name is Caitlin Blair and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have a really exciting video for you. I will be trying on and reviewing KILLSTAR's brand new makeup line, Coven Cosmetics. Coven Cosmetics has released a brand new liquid lip collection including 6 different shades, and I will be trying on all of them for you today. These liquid lipsticks are also vegan and cruelty-free, which is a big bonus. This will be more of a first impressions video. I'm really excited to show you guys what these lipsticks look like and how they perform, so let's get right into the video. Let's start out with Haven. Wow, that is gorgeous. What do you think? So far, I'm really impressed. The formula is amazing and it glides on beautifully. It dries down to a flawless matte very fast, and I can tell this is gonna be smudge proof. Nothing's come off. So that's great. This is such a beautiful color, you guys, but I'm really excited to see these other shades, so let's move on to the next one. Next, we have Vampire. This is the one I'm very excited for. Straight out of the tube, it almost looks a little magenta, so we'll see how this goes. That is the most pigmented, most gorgeous red I've ever seen. Do you see how highly pigmented this is? And it is already dry. 20 seconds and it's already dry. It's so pigmented, I almost wonder if I need to put it on a little thinner. Normally I'd go just a little bit less heavy-handed. This is kind of giving me Drew Barrymore in Poison Ivy vibes. So highly pigmented, glides on so smoothly. I really enjoy these so far and I'm really excited to check out the next one. Okay, now this one does transfer a bit. This one also bleeds a little bit pink, like magenta pink, around the edges of your lips, so I would definitely suggest a lip liner when you use this. I think with a lip liner, this one will perform a lot better. I'm not using any liner today, just so I can show you the true color and wear of these shades. As far as the smudging, not as stellar as Haven, but we will check out the rest and see how they wear. Next up is Dusk. This color is so gorgeous. I am really digging it. I don't often wear too many shades like this one. This is like a really deep mauve. There's just such a broad range and a lot of them always end up looking muddy on me. I didn't think I'd like it this much, to be honest, and they just never quite work with my skin tone. It's always really hard for me to find one that works for me. This is a very pleasant surprise, and the formula, again, felt amazing going on. It dried really fast. It's such a flawless, beautiful matte. It's very pigmented. So this one went on a lot like the first one, Haven, but let's see if it wears the same as Haven or if it smudges like Vampire. Okay. So there is just the very slightest hint. I mean, you can't even see it. Only a little bit is smudging off. So compared to Haven, it's not as good, but it is a little better than Vampire was. Vampire, I've noticed, was a little bit more, I don't want to say watery, but the formula for Vampire is a little bit thinner than Haven or Dusk. So that could be why there's a little bit of a pink runoff on the edges of your lips when you put it on. So definitely, again, use a lip liner with these. It will make the formula last that much longer. Absolutely stunning color. I'm very happy with this one. So let's move on to Lenore. Can I just say how absolutely head over heels in love I am with this one? I'm just gonna call it right now. This is going to be my very favorite shade. There is nothing I love more than a really good rose colored lip. Oh my god, it's stunning. This is just the queen of rosy pink shades, and I am just in absolute awe of its beauty, okay? This is the kind of color that is, for lack of a better term, a dumb reach for me. This would be a shade that I would just be able to grab, and it will look good with almost any makeup look, any outfit. Like, this is the kind of shade I often go for on a daily basis. It's a lot creamier in texture, and it just felt really nice going on. And it's, again, already dry after about 15-20 seconds. Oh, thank God. Nothing. Even when you rub. The formula on this one is so good, I don't even think you need to wear a lip liner with it, which is amazing. It doesn't smudge, it dries really fast, the formula was creamy and smooth and just felt really nice going on. Again, highly pigmented just like the others. I feel like it's going to be really comfortable to wear. Stellar, phenomenal, beautiful, exciting, amazing.
Talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular, never the same, totally unique.
So absolutely perfect, and this is probably going to be one of my signature lip colors for sure. Also, the reason that I'm doing a smudge test like this for each lip color is because on the website they claim that these are not only smudge proof, that they are kiss proof, which I feel like is a really extreme claim, and I got really intrigued and really excited when I read that, so that's why I've been doing a smudge test for each of these lip colors. This one just made me super excited about the entire collection. Beautiful lip color, beautiful name, and I am just so happy with this one. Next up, we have Eternal. This is gonna be the most gorgeous berry color, I can already tell. Woo! Okay, I've kind of got some issues with this one. Look at this patchy formula.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
I put this on exactly the same way as I did the others, and the others only took just one swipe over. I don't think I really dipped back in for more product. I think I'm gonna have to do a second coat just to fill in the places that don't have as much color because it was so patchy going on. It looks like a second coat did kind of fill in the patchiness. I think this is one that'll perform much better with a lip liner, just like Vampire. It is a nice color though. It's a really very deep, dark purple berry, kind of like a blackberry. That's what I would call this. This is a total blackberry shade. I hope that Coven Cosmetics releases matching lip liners for these. That would be amazing. You know, this shade would be absolutely perfect for Tiffany from Bride of Chucky. If you are looking to be Tiffany for Halloween, look no further. This is your shade all day and night. I wish I would have had this one when I was Tiffany about 5 years ago. I believe I used a NYX Transylvania for that one, and it was great. These also wear really nice, but I will say that despite the patchiness in this formula for Eternal, this is still a superior formula to the NYX matte lip creams, and despite the subtle smudging of this, it still will last longer. Just wear a lip liner with it and you'll be good to go. Last but not least, let's try Void. This one's gonna be amazing. Oh, look at that. I mean, I think this one just speaks for itself and how absolutely phenomenal it is. If you are looking for the perfect black lipstick that is highly pigmented and you only need one swipe over, look no further than this one, guys. I'm telling you. Now let's try a smudge test. No. Oh, okay, so most of these shades are not kiss proof. There were a couple that barely smudged, but more often than not, they did smudge. So after this, I'm gonna do a wear test just to see how long it actually does wear, and maybe I will update you guys on that on Instagram. If you wanna follow me over there, I have my link down below. Absolutely top-notch doe foot applicator though. Oh, look at how that glides on. I would say they're pretty drink proof. You know, just having something to drink won't make it come off, but it's definitely not smudge proof. Like if you rub your lips, it's going to come off. So, you know, I've been wearing black lipstick since I was like 9 or 10 years old. True story. And this lip color is just taking me back to like the first time that I ever wore black lipstick in about 4th grade. All in all, I'm really happy with these, despite some of them actually smudging, even though they claim to be smudge proof. The shades turned out better on me and my skin tone than I expected they would, and they pleasantly surprised me. They are absolutely gorgeous. I'm really excited that KILLSTAR finally released their own makeup line, and I cannot wait to see what they do next. I had so much fun playing around with these, and I hope you guys really enjoyed seeing this little try on and review of Coven Cosmetics. That is not at all flattering. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this one. And hit the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you next time.